Welcome back to Magical Mayhem. Today is January 1st, 2020. What? Okay, so with the holidays and everything, it was really absolutely insanely crazy. I did a lot of strolling magic. I did a lot of corporate shows. I do balloon art. And for some of you that don't know, I also do photo booth rentals. So that, I've been kind of spending a lot of time with that, and it's taken off pretty good. In fact, in 2020, gotta get used to seeing 2020. I am looking into adding a couple more booths, so business is good. I kind of went out and bought some magic and it's been sitting in boxes, which I already opened, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. New magic, that's right, you can never have enough magic. This stuff is good. So it's nothing major, it's just something that I've wanted for a very long time, and I just finally decided, you know what, I'm gonna go get it. And this is kind of like my, I guess this is like my Christmas present to myself. So let's go through it. I do some work with moth coils. So I got a box of moth coils. You guys don't do that. You don't have to stick it in your mouth. That's what they're for, but you could always use this in some different form. Box of moth coils. I love these things. Fantastic. As always, this is from Penguin Magic, by the way. I got the Penguin Magic Monthly Patrick Cuffs. See if you guys can see that. So I think this is a great little pamphlet that they hand out. You gotta buy something in order to get it for free. I guess you can order it, but it's better to buy something. So I'll probably go through this, and there's always some good tricks in here, some good magic, and some good interviews. So thank you, Penguin. And this is why I really want it for myself. This is The Cooler by Christian Engblom. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a, I guess you can call it a utility device to switch a deck out. Highly recommended. I saw someone using it in Magic Live, and I thought, I'm getting that. You could do it right in front of everybody, in front of your spectators. It's fantastic. The Cooler, definitely a must get. And because I think I put something in here, I put a little note in there. I don't even remember what I said. Oh yeah, here we go, it's comments. Because when you place your order, you can add some comments. I put comment, Penguin Magic is awesome. Always have what I need and get it to me on time. Thank you. That was my comment to Penguin Magic. And they wrote back, you make us awesome, Lee, thank you. They personalize it. And because they personalize it, they threw something in for me for free. Yeah, Penguin. Snowstorm in China. Which is kind of funny because I did Snowstorm in China a couple of times during this holiday season. I decided to just make a big mess on stage. Out of all the times I did it, I only had one person come up to me, and she's the person that hired me. She goes, wow, you did a fantastic job. You made a big mess too. I did a fantastic job, that's all I heard. Besides, out of all the times I've done it, this is the first time I've ever had a complaint, so. Empty box. Anyway, that's it. Some magic from Penguin Live. I cannot wait to put this together. I think there's a little bit of building. In fact, I know there's a little bit of building in putting it together. But that's part of the fun. You get to see exactly how it looks and exactly how it works. And then you get to put it together exactly how you want it. You can use different decks of cards. I use oh my gosh, I forgot what they're called now. Huh. I was gonna say penguin cards, but that's not true. I use Christian cards. The Phoenix decks. I use Phoenix decks, so I have to put this together with the Phoenix decks. Probably I'll show you guys later in a different video how great this is, and I'll put a review together. Anyway, that's it from St. Louis, Missouri. This is where I live. And Happy New Year to all you guys. This is January 1st, 2020. Hey, I said that right. I'd like to thank Penguin Magic for being so thoughtful. It's an inexpensive gift, I know, but you know what? It shows that they care, okay? And that's all that matters. All right, so hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you found it entertaining. Be sure to give me that thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. And catch you in the next video. What, are you still here? Hello? I said next video.